Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today, my bike got servicing. This is Honda SP125, and in the servicing, everything was done except this chain spray. So, this is the chain spray I bought in the local store, not online. And I'm not promoting the brand or something like that, but see here, this is Motomax chain lubricant. So, by applying this, by spraying this chain spray lubricant on the chain movement while riding the bike will be really good. And coming to this price, it's like I purchased this last year. I exactly don't remember the price, but it's somewhere around like 100 rupees. And to spray this lubricant on your bike chain, first you need to uncap this. The cap will be somewhere here at the bottom. See here, I'll show you. This is the gear case. Okay. uh, Neutral your bike first, keep in the neutral gear and open the cap of this, and this is the spray, the red one. Okay, this is the straw. Okay, so you need to fix the straw like this. Okay, show this way. Yeah, spray like this. And now, yeah, as the cap is opened, okay, I'll tell you easy method. Just start your bike and keep it in the first gear. Okay, now it's neutral. uh, Keep your bike in the center stand. Okay, as you applied the first gear, the chain will rotate automatically. Now you can spray the here. See, it is just getting sprayed. Just by yourself also you can do that, so that this lubricant will make the chain move smoother, so that your ride will be really good. So yeah, this is how. If you do have any other questions, please do ask in the comments. Anyway, I'll attach these products, I'll tag this product. If you want to check it online, you can check it online.